So today I have myself a Samsung S8, and this phone basically has a shattered back glass, and I felt I should bring for you this tutorial in which I show you how you would have to change this back glass. And without further ado, it goes without saying that first you should be able to access a replacement glass, and I have my replacement glass right here. Let me just pull it out so you have a look at how it looks like. Sorry. And this is how it looks like right there. And then on this other side there's that blue thing that is just a protective layer that protects the lighter blue lining or adhesive, so this will have to be peeled off. Anyway, let's get started with the process. So of course the first thing involves removing the old dead one, and let me show you how I do it. Of course I have a hot plate, this screen separator, and this will help me heat the peripheries of this glass or the entire glass and enable me unglue it off of this. So let me turn this device on, right there on, and we have the display right there, and I'm going to set the temperature of the display to 90 degrees centigrade or Celsius. Let me go for 95, and then I'm going to place my phone back side facing down because I want the heat from this to warm that. So I am going to give it some 5 minutes and come back to remove it. So we have reached 93. I think now it's time for me to take my phone off the thing, but before I do that I need a surgical blade. That's my surgical blade. Let's now get back to where we are. Okay, now I do not know how to do this because today I'm recording handheld, so this I'm going to slip in here and cut that. Let me see how best I can do this. Okay, so I've gotten an option here. Okay, strange that you can still see me in frame, but yeah. So get right in there, look at this, and that has gone off like that easily. And so we have removed this. Now what you want to take note of is the fact that we are going to have to transplant this, which is the fingerprint sensor, to our replacement glass, and also that. So basically that assembly will have to come off, and let me get at it. Okay. Yeah, for some reason it didn't pick up heat. Yeah, so getting that out. Okay, it goes out, but that adhesive has stayed there. So next is the fingerprint. It's gone off with also its adhesive remaining there. So let me come back and just transfer those things onto here. So that means I will need this right there. Am I able to remove it well? First for the fingerprint. Okay. So I've just opted to instead use my adhesive here, my glue. So just putting it around the periphery, and I suppose that should suffice. Then I bring this in place right there, and then I can now bring the fingerprint, then I can place it there. Okay, sort of flush it back. Now I also need a flat layer of adhesive. Since I'm unable to, I'm also going to use glue. I'm unable to get it off, I'm going to use it. What's the extent? I think also this far. Right there. Yeah, nothing more really. And then I can put that aside and then bring this in place. Okay, and that's how we are looking at the back. Now the next thing is to peel off this. Just a moment. So we peel off this. This protects the layer protecting our. We remove off this entirely, plug in that fingerprint sensor into the socket, and we are plugging it in. Actually, I'm going to first remove it from the frame of the back cover and then place it down right there and plug it in, then bring my back cover to sit right there. Now we're going to keep this pressed in place using threads, and that's how you replace the back glass of your Samsung phone or any other phone that has a shattered back glass. Subscribe, like the video, and I'm going to clean this. I touched this a lot. See you in the next video.